Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the windshield wipers, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them guys, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the windshield wipers, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Explorer right here. What we guys need to do now, we need to go ahead and open the hood. Once you open the hood, facing here the engine on the driver's side, you see guys, you have a fuse box next to the car battery. Press these two tabs here, leave the cover, and you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here is what we need to check. First we need to check fuse number 4. We're talking about that 30 fuse here. That's the main fuse that you need to check. Then you need to check fuse 82. So where is 82? This is 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82. That fuse right here will need to be checked. Now what about the relays guys? You need to check relay 44 right here, and for the wipers you may need to check one more, which is in that case guys, okay, should be relay 50, okay, 55 for any of you that have that one. So 44 will be right here, okay, and let me see exactly guys, okay, 55 is very, okay, very a weird location. It's all the way right here. That's the one. So for the windshield wipers, all these fuses and relays need to be checked. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated guys, and even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.